Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching unknown phenomenon sounds at sky in Guayaquil in Ecuador. And also these type of sounds appeared at Basque Country. Now watch these sounds. If you know about these sounds, please comment in comment section. Basque Country is an autonomous community in northern Spain. Thank you for watching this video, my dear friends. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Once again, thank you very much.